Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and from today we are starting a new series, Let's Revise. And in the series of Let's Revise, we are starting with 2 marks questions on complete syllabus, and this is the part 1. Friends, your likes, dislikes and comments are always assets to us. Therefore, do not forget to register your views and comments and watch the video completely. So let us move to the first question of the series Let's Revise. So here is the first question. Divide 56 in 4 parts in AP such that the ratio of the product of their extremities to the product of their means is 5:6. Here friends, we have to divide 56 in 4 parts, and that 4 parts will be in AP, and that AP will be in such a way that the ratio of the product of the extremities to that of the product of the means is 5:6. So we have to assume the 4 APs. When we have to assume the 4 APs, we assume it like this, that A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, and A plus 3D. We do not assume it as A plus 1, A plus 2, A plus 3 like this, because that will be difficult to solve. So whenever we have to assume the 4 APs, we assume as A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, and A plus 3D. Now we are dividing 56 into 4 parts. It means that the sum of these 4 parts is equal to 56, and therefore according to the question we can say that the sum of all these 4, that is A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D, that is equal to 56. And now here minus 3D and plus 3D will get cancelled, minus D plus D will get cancelled, and A plus A plus A plus A, that will be 4A, and 4A is equal to 56, and therefore A will be equal to 4 ones are 4 and 4 fours are 16, so A is equal to 14. So you have got the value of A. So this is the first important step, so highlight it, A is equal to 14. Now second condition is that the ratio of the product of the extremities. Extremities means what? The first and the last number. These 2 numbers are called as the extremities, and so the product of their extremities, that is A, according to second condition, that A minus 3D into A plus 3D, this is the product of the extremities, and the ratio of the products of the extremities to that of the products of the means, these 2 numbers are called as the means, so their product will be A minus D into another bracket A plus D, and this ratio is given as 5:6, so which is equal to 5/6. Now let us solve this. Here it is A minus B into A plus B, that is A square minus B square, so it will be A square minus 3D square, that will be 9D square, upon this is A minus D, A plus D, that will be A square minus D square, which is equal to 5/6. Now cross multiply and solve it. So if you cross multiply, you will get it as 6 into A square, that will be 6A square, minus 9 6 the 54 4, so it will be 54 d square, which is equal to multiply by a square minus d square to 5, so it will be 5a square minus 5d square. If you take 5a square to this side, this will become minus 5a square. So 6a square minus 5a square, that will be a square, which is equal to, if you take 54 to the other side, 54 to the other side, that will be plus 54d square. So minus 5d square plus 54d square, and that will be equal to 49d square. Now we know the value of a is 14. So putting the value of a as 14, so this will be 14 square, which is equal to 49d square. So 14 square, that will be equal to 196, which is equal to 49d square. And therefore d square is equal to 4. And so d is equal to plus minus 2. So highlight this because this is the second important step. So a you have got as 14, a is equal to 14, and d you have got as plus minus 2, and you have to divide that amount or that number 56, I think, that number in 4 parts. So how will you divide it? So it will be first number, first time we will take the values of a as 14 and d as plus 2, and second time we will take the value of d as minus 2, and after calculating that you will get first AP as 8, 12, 16 and 20, and the another AP that you will get as, it will be 20, 16 and 12 and 8. So these are the two possibilities that you can divide the given number in 4 parts in a AP. Now friends, let us move to the second question. Here is the second question from trigonometry. Prove that sin alpha upon 1 plus cos alpha plus 1 upon cos alpha upon sin alpha, that is equal to 2 cosec alpha. So friends, here LHS is equal to sin alpha upon 1 plus cos of alpha plus 1 plus cos of alpha upon sin of alpha. Now here, to solve these two fractional numbers, we take the LCM of the denominators. So LCM will be what? It will be sin alpha into bracket 1 plus cos of alpha. Here we will multiply by sin alpha, and here we will multiply by 1 plus cos alpha. So sin alpha into sin alpha, that will be sin square alpha, plus this will be 1 plus cos alpha into 1 plus cos alpha, that will be 1 plus cos of alpha bracket square, and that is equal to sin square alpha plus this will be a plus b bracket square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square will be 1 plus b square, that will be cos square alpha, plus 2ab. So 2 into 1 will be 2 into b, that is cos alpha, so that is 2 cos of alpha upon sin alpha into bracket 1 plus cos of alpha. Now here, which is equal to sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, that is 1, that you know. So this 1 plus 1, that will be 2, and so it is 2 plus 2 cos of alpha upon sin alpha into bracket 1 plus cos alpha. This can be solved further as from the numerator we can take out 2 as a common factor. So 2 inside the bracket, it will be 1 plus cos of alpha, close the bracket, upon sin alpha into bracket 1 plus cos of alpha. So this 1 plus cos alpha, 1 plus cos alpha will get cancelled, and you will get it as 2 upon sine alpha. 2 upon sine alpha. But 1 upon sine alpha, that is cosec alpha, and so this we can write as 2 cosec alpha, and which is equal to RHS. And hence here we have proved that which is equal to 2 cosec of alpha. Now friends, let us move to the next question. Friends, the next question is on the screen. A 2-digit number is 4 times the sum of the digits. It is also equal to 3 times the product of the digits. Find the number. So first we will assume that let the unit place digit be x and the tens place digit be y. Tens place digit be y. Then the number will be what? 10y plus x. And it is said that a 2-digit number, that is 10y plus x, is 4 times the sum of the digits. So we can write according to the question that 10y plus x, that is equal to 4 times the sum of the digits, that is x plus y. So that we get 10y plus x, which is equal to, multiply by 4 inside the bracket, so it will be 4x plus 4y. Now take 4y to this side, so 10y minus 4y, that will be 6y, and take x to this side, so 4x minus x, that will be 3x, and 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and therefore x is equal to twice of y. Let this be number 1. Now as per the condition 2, I solve it here. So according to the question number 2, here what is said that it is also equal to 3 times the product of the digits. So the number, that is 10y plus x, is also equal to the 3 times the product of the digits. xy is the product of the digits and 3 times. So we will solve this further. So you will get it as, by putting x is equal to 2y, so 10y plus x, that is 2y, which is equal to 3 into 2y into y. And so this will be 12y, which is equal to 3 2s are 6, and y into y, that will be y square. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, and this quadratic equation we write in a standard form, that is y square minus 2y, which is equal to 0. Now take y as a common factor, so inside the bracket it will be y minus 2, which is equal to 0. The product of these two numbers is 0. It means either this should be 0 or this should be 0, and therefore y is equal to 0, or y minus 2 is equal to 0. It means y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 0 will be rejected because y is a tens place digit, and if the tens place digit is 0, then it will not be a two-digit number, and therefore rejecting this, y is equal to 2. You get y is equal to 2, highlight this. Now put this value in equation number 1. So putting in equation number 1, putting in equation 1, so if you put this y is equal to 2 in equation number 1, you will get it as x is equal to 2 into 2. So that is equal to x is equal to 4. So you have got the value of x as 4, highlight this. So y is 2 and x is 4. Therefore the required two-digit number is equal to 24. 2 is tens place digit and 4 is unit place digit. Now let us move to the next question. In figure, there is a chord AB of circle with center O and radius 10 centimeter, subtends right angle at the center of the circle. Find the area of the minor segment AOBP. Hence, find the area of the major segment ALBQA. Now friends, here this is a circle and AB is a chord, and this AB chord subtends an angle of 90 degree with the center of the circle, and you have to first find the area of the minor segment. How will you find the area of the minor segment? The area of this sector, and the sector is a quadrant, minus area of the triangle. So here area of quadrant, area, first we will find area of minor segment, that is equal to area of quadrant minus area of triangle OAB, which is equal to area of quadrant will be 1/4 of area of circle, that is pi r square, minus area of triangle is 1/2 r square sine of theta, 1/2 r square sine of theta. So which is equal to 1/4. The value of pi we are taking as 3.14 into r square. Into r square, the radius is given as 10 centimeter, so it will be 10 square will be 100, minus 1/2 again r square, that is into 100 into sine of 90, angle is 90 degree and sine 90 is 1. So which is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 25s are 100, so 25 into 3.14, and that is equal to 78.5 minus this will be 2 ones are 2, 250s are 100, and therefore minus 50, and which is equal to 78.5 minus 50, that is 28.5 square centimeter, and therefore the area of the minor segment is 28.5 square centimeter. Now you have to find the area of the major segment. Area of the major segment. This area you have to find. How will you find this area? Total area of the circle, correct, minus this area you will subtract, then you will get the area of the major segment. So to find area of major segment, area of major segment, that is equal to area of circle pi r square minus area of minor segment, that is 28.5. So which is equal to 3.14 into r square, that is 100, minus 28.5. So if you multiply 3.14 by 100, it will be 314 minus 28.5. Solve this further, so you will get it as 285.5 square centimeter, and therefore the area of the major sector is 285.5 square centimeter. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends so that they too will get connected with us, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. and also press the bell icon so that the notification of the newly uploaded video will reach to you and you will not miss any of the video. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video.